Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has inaugurated the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Battery Complex at the Artillery Centre and School of Halishahar in Chattogram. The Premier opened the complex by unveiling its inaugural flag this morning as she visited the Artillery Museum set up at the complex. During the visit, the Premier witnessed the very realistic portrait of Father of the Nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman installed in the museum. The historic 3.7-inch Howitzer that fired the first shot of the Mujib battery in the Great Liberation War in 1971 and the ammunitions used in the artillery regiment and replicas of all the cannons and the glorious history of the notable operations of the artillery forces in the war. She also joined the Darbar with the army officers at the Darbar Hall.
এক দুই তিন ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।